And many people think sashimi is just raw, but we put salt or marinate with vinegar or so many techniques we have. This is one basic way.
In this video, Chef Yama will demonstrate 2 sashimi preparations. Let us show you the first one, which is lightly curing the salmon with 1 gram of salt per 100 grams of fish.
So this part is super thick, a little bit extra. Then you can leave it an hour in the fridge. Then 1 hour later, water comes up. Yeah, meat get shrinks a little bit, condensed. 1 hour. Next one, it's gonna be cured salmon. You can just put a lot of salt everywhere.
The second sashimi technique is curing the salmon by completely covering the fish with salt, both front and back. This process is known as petachio. And don't worry, we'll rinse off the excess salt later so it won't turn out too salty.
Like this. Then you have to wait, I would say 25 minutes. The fridge. Okay, now you can just wash. You cannot put the water on the fish. Gently.
And then put it on a paper towel.
Yeah, has to be dry. Again. Not like this. This is very important. Have to be totally dried. I recommend to use thick kitchen paper.
After drying the fish, you can eat it immediately. However, chef recommends wrapping the salmon in high-quality thick kitchen paper and letting it rest for a while to fully dry and enhance its flavor.
So this is a light salt version. So you can also see quite a lot of water on the surface. And this time I don't wash it, just dry with kitchen paper. Okay, now I will show you how to cut. First I'll show you authentic sashimi cutting. It's called hirazukuri. Hirazukuri means flat and square pieces. Then this sack block is a little bit too big. You have to make a right portion. Show you hirazukuri. Start from here. This is very important. Finish here. Sashimi fillet have to be in front, not like this. Have to be in front. I recommend to keep 1-2 centimeter here. Let's go. Then, like this. Knee. Super important edge. Then next one is a cured one. So for hirazukuri, I recommend to use the back part. And the belly part, I recommend to use for sushi with the other way. I already feel different. More like the mochi texture. Ni, san. Here you go. Okay, so now we are going to try this. Daikon. And for sashimi, this is super basic garnish. And also this is super traditional, authentic. In Japan, basically we do 3, 5, 7, odd number. And of course wasabi. Angie, here you go. Please try this. tell me which is better. First without sauce.
Okay.
So which one do you prefer? Light salt or cured one? Iただきます。じゃあ、あっちゃんせーので、せーの左。イエーイ。
Definitely 左。
左 is super cured one.